Well, after claiming threats from influential sections over vaccine order, Covishield maker Adar Poonawalla has made a startling claim. Poonawala was speaking to Financial Times and said that enough orders for COVID vaccines were not put. He added that his firm would have boosted the production had there been more orders. He said he did not think Serum Institute needed to make more than 1 billion doses a year. The article also quotes Adar Poonawalla saying that the shortage of vaccines in India is going to continue through July before it rises. Adar Poonawalla had said in July 2021, the production of COVID vaccines is going to increase from about 6 to 7 crore doses from a month to about 10 crore. His statement comes days after India opened vaccinations for all adults from this 1st of May onwards. Remember, both of these companies have been saying that the government of India did not place the orders on time.
Adar Poonawalani केलेलं होतं. आज त्यांचं स्टेटमेंट आलं की मी भारतात वापस येणार आहे. तर काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या वतीनं आम्ही त्यांचं स्वागत करतो. त्यांना आपल्या मायभूमीचं देशाची आठवण येऊन देशाच्या जनतेसाठी या कोरोनाच्या महामारीमध्ये लस भारतात तयार करण्याचा त्यांनी निर्णय केलेला आहे, त्याचा आम्ही स्वागत करतो आहे. खरं तर एक गोष्टीचा खुलासा अदर पुनावालांनी केला पाहिजे की आखरी त्याला कोणी धमकवलं होतं.
Well, listen to what Adar Poonawalla said on states placing vaccine orders.
50% of our capacities can be sold to state governments and to private hospitals. Now, with limited supply and our obligations that we have to continue giving to the central government, there will be initially very limited supplies. However, it is a welcome move because of the opening of this market. You know, as you said, people can access this in a way that they could not access it earlier. And of course, the age group has come down to the age of 18 that can be vaccinated. So this is what is happening. And you will see in the month of May itself, in the middle to end of May, where you will see these doses being sent out, you know, to private hospitals and to the state governments. So that's where we are at the moment.
Pankaj Upadhyay getting us more details on that story. Pankaj, companies have been saying this for a while now, both of these companies, that we need specifics as far as the orders are concerned. Where are the orders is the question that they asked in the past as well. Was the centre then not placing the orders on time? Was the centre then caught unawares?
Sneha, the fact remains our vaccination program heavily depends on Serum Institute and its production capacity. The last tweet of Adar Poonawalla said that he is pleased to state that Covishield's production is in full swing in Pune. I look forward to reviewing operations upon my return in a few days. And that was exactly, but Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole has also said that he needs to return back to the country, start production for the country. And then if he has come out with allegations that some influential leaders are threatening him, that he himself needs to say those very names. In fact, the state Congress chief went to the extent of saying that the Congress party is ready to take all the responsibility of its security. As far as Mumbai and Maharashtra are concerned, we've seen what the state of vaccination drive really here is. The vaccination program for the 45 plus remains suspended. The vaccination program for 18 plus is going on only in select few centers. And in such a scenario, when the state government has said that it needs at least 12 crore vaccine and that it's trying its level best to procure the vaccines because the anger and frustration of the people is growing by the hour, when one can well understand the kind of dependency that this vaccination program has on Adar Poonawalla's Serum Institute. But at this point of time, it really remains to be seen as to whether Adar Poonawalla will come out with the names and reveal who's been threatening him. And at the same time, as NCP has also been saying today, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi cannot fight this pandemic on his own. He needs to call all the opposition parties, and then a constructive policy has to be made on various issues, including the vaccine, so that the vaccination program can continue in a very smooth and consistent fashion.
All right, Pankaj, thanks for getting us up to speed with that.